Hello guys, welcome back to Excludes. So in our SQL series of solving lead code questions, I'm back with another brand new question called Not Boring Movies. Obviously, who will spoil their mood by watching boring movies? So let's start with the question. We have a table cinema which has 4 columns: ID, movie, description, rating. Okay, and ID is the primary key, of course. Each row contains information about the name of the movie, its genre, and its rating. Rating is a 2 decimal place float in the range of 0 to 10. Okay, so our problem, so we have to write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring. Okay, so this is what we have to do with this table. So we have to return the ID with odd numbers, and the description of this table should not be boring. Fine. So return the result table order by rating in descending order. Fine. So we have to return it in descending order. The rating should be in descending order. Okay. So this is our example. Let's give a look at example. We have the cinema table and we have this output. So if you look carefully, the output contains 2 IDs, 1 and 5, which are both odd numbers. Okay. And if you have this question that why ID 3 is not included, because it has description boring. Okay, and it is said in the question that you don't have to include those movies who has description boring. Okay, so it's quite simple. We have to write a query for this. So not wasting any second, let's start with the question. Our query. Fine. So first we have to select. If you look at the output table, we have ID, movie, description and rating column. So we have to select ID, movie, description and rating from our cinema table. Okay, so cinema. Okay, now what is a condition? For condition, we always use our where clause. So where the ID should be in odd numbers. Okay, and any number to be an odd number, it should not be divisible by 2. It's very obvious. So our ID when divided by 2 should be equal to 1. Okay, here I am using a modulo operator because any number when divided by 2, if that number is odd, it will give us remainder 1. Okay, in spite of how long that number is, it will give us the remainder 1. So if ID is divided by 2 using modulo operator, it will give us remainder 1 when it is odd. Okay, this is the condition for a number to be odd. Now the second condition is, and the description should not be boring. Okay, the value of description, the column description, if has any value boring, then it should not be included. And the third thing is, we have to give the ratings in a descending order. Okay, so for that I use order by which column? Ratings, and in which order? Descending. So this is a query and it's very simple. So let's run it and check if it is correct or not. So it is correct. Our answer is we got our expected output. Okay, so let's submit it. If you understood the video, if you like this tutorial, do like my video, subscribe to Excludes, and here, boom, we have our output. Fine. So do subscribe to Excludes and let me know in comment section if it is helping. Okay, thank you. Happy coding.